Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, about 11 o'clock. I don't always sleep this late. I've been really needing this sleep though, because I kind of stayed up really late the past couple nights, and I didn't have to work today until later, so I thought I would take this opportunity to sleep in a little bit and then show you guys my morning routine. So basically every morning I wake up around 8:30 and immediately make my bed, because if I don't do that then I won't get up. So I immediately get up and make my bed, and then the next thing that I do is I grab my water bottle, I grab my phone, and I grab my yoga mat. I come out here on the porch and I do Shona Vertue's 10-minute morning yoga sequence. I'll put the link down below so you guys can check it out. I really love her channel and I love her workouts, and I especially love this morning yoga because it does a really good job of really just waking up the body, waking up the mind, getting you in the right place, and it literally only takes 10 minutes. I mean, seriously. That is so easy. That is such little time for yoga practice, but even just having that much time for me really makes a massive difference in my day. So I highly suggest it.
If I could hear my father's voice, he would tell me to move on. He would say I'll be just fine. Yeah, he would tell me we have time to laugh and time to heal. Our favorite song is on repeat, drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home.
Now I'm ready to really start the day. The next thing I'll do is I'll take a quick shower if I get super sweaty during my yoga practice, but you guys can't come with me for that, so the next things that I do are things like putting on face lotion, deodorant, brushing my teeth, and I'll show you the products that I use. So for my deodorant, I'm very picky because I don't like putting bad chemicals in my body. So I use this Jason Tea Tree deodorant, which I honestly am kind of scared because I have no idea where I got this, and I don't know if I can get it again. I can probably find it on the internet, but this is seriously the best natural deodorant, and I'm not sponsored to say this, but this is seriously the best natural deodorant I've ever tried. Like, it smells so good and it keeps me fresh all day. So I highly recommend Jason's deodorant. I don't even know if that's how you say it because it's obviously in another language, but. And then, depending on how my skin is feeling that day, I have a couple of products that I will use. I'm going to start by spritzing my face with this beauty elixir. I got this as a sample and it's awesome. It just makes you glow. And it smells really good. But this morning, my face needs a little TLC, so I'm going to be using Josie Maran's light argan oil, and I like this one because it's not super heavy, and I just pat it into the skin. I'm going to go put on my shirt. Had to wait until after deodorant, you know.
Smile on your face. You told me about the hidden place, something in the atmosphere. You always hear, you always hear, time to laugh and time to heal. My favorite song is on repeat, drinking wine until the dawn,
that was kind of a hot mess. I changed my mind on what I wanted to make halfway through making it. And I don't know why I used a bowl. Apparently I'm just for unconventional dishware. It's good though. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that little morning routine video. It's pretty much constantly changing depending on what's happening in my life and where I am, but this is what's happening now, so roll with it. You may have noticed that the video kind of cuts off abruptly after I eat food. That's pretty much usually when I go to work and then continue with my day, and originally was planning on the video being a video of my day and vlogging, but the video started to get so long, I was like, okay, I just have to split these into two and make a video about my morning routine and then make a different vlog. So that's just good news for you guys, because that means that you get an extra video next week. So look out for that on Wednesday or Thursday. Shooting for Wednesday, but you never know what might happen. So if you enjoyed this video and you're not already a subscriber, consider hitting that subscribe button. I mean, we have some fun here. And then also, so that you'll actually see my videos, go ahead and hit that notification bell next to the subscribe button, and then you'll get notifications for when I post, and then we can keep up with each other and like chat. So that'd be cool. Something exciting, I'm gonna start doing a comment winner in every video. So if you want to be next week's comment winner, go ahead and comment down below what your most important part of your morning routine is. Like, what can you not function unless you do in the mornings? Let me know, I'm curious. This week's comment winner is, drumroll please, Alexandra Byers. She comments, "Love it, good job, smiley face, we should collaborate." And yes, girl, I actually know Alexandra because we did children's theater together, so I'm very excited to work with her. So definitely look out for that in the future. I gotta go take this dog that I'm dog sitting on a walk, so I will talk to you guys later. But I love you so, so, so much, and thank you for all your support and love. You are all beautiful light beings of this planet, and you just deserve the best. So thank you. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.